In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're fine-tuning your business transactions or correcting a simple clerical error, editing an invoice is a straightforward process once you know where to start. So, let's dive into the step-by-step guide and get you confident in updating your invoices swiftly. To begin, you'll want to access your QuickBooks account. Simply log in using your credentials and you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you'll find the navigation panel, which is crucial for finding the different sections of the platform. On the left side, you'll see various menu items. Look for the one labeled Sales and give it a click. This section houses all your financial transactions related to sales, and it's where you'll find your list of invoices waiting for you. Once you've clicked on the Sales tab, you'll see several options. Your task now is to click on Invoices. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've created. It's a handy page where you can browse through and select any invoice you need to edit, scan through the list of invoices, and find the one you're looking to modify. When you find it, click directly on it to open. Now, with your chosen invoice open, look to the top right corner. You'll spot a button labeled Edit. Click it, and you are in the editing mode where changes can be made. Here, you can update various fields based on your requirements, whether it's adjusting items, updating quantities or rates, altering customer details, updating the billing address, changing payment terms, or adding special notes. This is the place to get it done. After you've made all the necessary changes, take a moment to review the updated invoice carefully. Ensuring all details are accurate is crucial to maintaining clear and effective communication with your clients. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, proceed to save these changes by clicking the Save button. Remember, if the invoice has already been sent to your customer prior to making these edits, it's a good idea to inform them of the changes. This small step helps avoid any possible confusion and maintains a professional relationship with your clients. And there you have it. You've successfully edited an invoice in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you can ensure that your invoicing is always accurate and up to date, helping to maintain smooth business operations. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.